Zoisha.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favoriteest girl Zoisha, and we are in day 2 of quarantine. It is March. It is March. It is March. It is March 24th. They officially shut down all non-essential companies, businesses, services, and all of that stuff to close down as of 11:59 tonight. So yesterday was my last day at work for my day job. And I didn't go into work today because I was feeling kind of stuffy-ish. So I was kind of like nervous or whatever. But I don't think I have the that's going around. But God willing, you know, everything is fine. I don't really feel like I've been really out and about apart from going to work. Which, I mean, you can still contract the, you know what I'm saying. But me say God, God send me regardless of anything. You see me? So yeah, my day here. Baby's on the phone. Joel, say hi. Tingling, say hi.
Hello.
Anyways, he's occupied. So anyways, for the last, I don't know if it's happening where you guys are happening or where you guys are or whatever, but I know here in Toronto, a lot of the DJs have been doing like Instagram parties and stuff like that. So that's what I'm here actually. So that's what I'm actually here doing. So one of our DJs, Fire Steeny, he's putting on a dance right now, so I got me a jam too right now. Hey. This is what life has come to. Everything is online. I seen people posting today that people are tutoring online. They're doing like kids courses online. It's a crazy time right now in the world. Like, I didn't even really want to sit down and talk about it, but like, it's a really crazy time in the world. There's a lot going on right now. I'm gonna come to you guys separately because a lot of you guys have been in my inbox asking me stuff about the wedding and all of that kind of stuff, if I'm affected by it and all of that stuff. I'm gonna do a separate video just to kind of update you guys on what's going on in regards to that. But it's a lot going on right now in the world and stuff like that. So yeah, but I can't say I'm not gonna say I'm not scared. I don't know if scared is the right word. I'm just nervous. And then it's like the unknown of everything that is really getting to me, because nobody knows what's gonna happen tomorrow. Nobody knows what's gonna happen next month, 3 months, 6 months, a year from now. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's like, oh, when things get better. And I'm like the one that's like, what if things don't? You know what I'm saying? Like, what if? You know, I'm not saying that it can't, but what if it doesn't? So I always outweigh the pros and the cons of every situation, and I just in my mind right now. But in the light of lightening up the spirit, wanna come and dance with me? Yeah, we are gonna dance in our bed. This is so funny because, you know, before people used to always be like, oh, I'm going to club pillow and sheet or club bed or whatever. Literally now we there club bed, pillow and sheet. Okay. Oh God. What a like gun people there. What a like gun figure there. Oh yeah.
You understand, from the east, and him are doing things to entertainment on the shop level. You understand? You see how him look? Braffy. So you know, so we're not laughy. And for the emissary. You know, these fools come around with dry mouth, and we don't want dry mouth in the town. The dry mouth, hey, yo. You know we got these NSC, we got the cranberry, and we have the girls then, which is well ready. They got that well ready. What's that fire? I think you're the boss of this kitchen block, you know. Ladies, call name on the dirty boy them were there on a DM and I beg on off in me I'm out. I want you to call him.
Oh my gosh. Yo! Woyoy! Skinny ever a dash word.
Any man who have them girl and them yard and you're going around eating out the children them of the future when I eat out the education what I pick with them crutches. Listen. Yeah, this and the girl them tonight.
What? All the party I look so. And the girl them tell up and I look so. Come people make a go dance. Don't stop! Oh shit. Why does it keep me ready to go to 30 years in a jail if them say loving you is a Kelsey, remind me so all of it. When the sun gone down and the lover come down. My baby, anything or anything, me we do the things them as long as you. Pum pum go cool out, boom boom.
I'm gonna make a cheap boy come cheap up your road, you know. Expensive cocky and expensive pussy mixed together. You know?
Okay.
And you go sitting there with a little, you know what I mean? So big up the girl when you say the thing up, right?
Okay. Okay. Luxury. Woyo, a taxi, go and go cool out. it up and wine party. Alright guys, my battery's gonna die. I'll be back, okay? I hope I do not get copyrights. I thought I told you that we won't stop. I thought I told you that we won't stop. I thought I told you that we won't stop. Eh. Do we share this special feeling called love? I know I do. What about you? I'm telling you, this one you would love. Stevie? Oh my God. Where do I go? Huh? Live with. I don't know if I'm gonna go there on all nights. People, we'll soon come back, okay? Hi, girl, Summer, so you know she's trying to hit. Hey, summer's canceled, but 2021 summer, she'll be. Shout out Love Crimes, Danny, big up yourself, man. But hello, you can't go and dance and have a drink in your hand. I want to see you, man. I'm a husband up on the phone, big up myself. Yo, in times like these, you guys, if you don't know how to hold a vibes by yourself, you go stress out. Like you literally go stress out, okay? Big up myself. Big up my nice, clean self. I'm sending love and light to everybody, literally, in this time. Because I know, say, some people can't manage. It's a very stressful, depressing time, especially being locked inside your house. Forcefully. Not because you want to be. It's different when you're like, oh, I want to stay home. But like when you have no choice but to stay home because outside is, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so just wallets. Fingers crossed we'll be out of this soon. And life will be somewhat back to normal. Yeah? Yeah.
Somebody sing it out.
All night long. Oh, I wanna rock you. Yeah, I have somebody good in my life for me can rock with. What you mean? Oh, baby. I just wanna love you. Oh, I'm about with you. Should I put on my battery right for this, you know? Cause I can't wait no more. Cause it's about 3:15 and sure days on me. I got the bent back. Said I love to see that ass in hoops and shades. You never thought I'd make you smile while I'm smacking that ass. But we share something so rare, but who cares? You care, baby. Y'all come like party lock off. Nobody know I hear no Afrobeat. Yeah. When the selectors switch up, them something they happen. It's just like a regular dance. Let's see. Okay. Fine, next party. Yo, everybody a cute party. For Instagram people. This is how I got my bed. So you don't care if the bomb not go nowhere. She living it up when she out there, doing it with no fear. Hey, bubble your body for the up top boss. Bad man up, you be a top class cocky. Every girl I drop, she skin it out for me that hard. Said the boy bad. Backers she love brace against the one. Backers me love and me can't get no backers. Me don't know when me I go get touch again. People mash up everything. I feel like a virgin again. Y'all, make sure y'all taking your vitamins, okay? These ones are so sour. Ooh. Anyways, people, me go taking the rest of the dance and got my bed because I'm going to have work tomorrow evening. I'm not fully on quarantine, so. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys next time in the next video, whenever that is and whatever that is. If you're new, if you are new, hit subscribe. If you're returning, hit the notification bell, like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, or as Junior would say from the Power family, send the video to a friend. I'm about to tell them, just send the video to a friend. I make them watch along, okay? I hope you guys stay in good spirits. Check on everybody that you guys love. Make sure everybody is good. Do everything, you know, video chats, all of them, something there and something there and something there. Stay connected and do what you can to help out anybody we're in need at this time. Do something good for Uno because it's gonna mess with everybody's mental health right now. It's a rough time. Support who you still can in terms of business. All of them something there, cause everybody is suffering right now. Literally everybody is suffering right now. And again, I will see you guys in my next vlog or video. I love you guys. And yeah, toodaloo. Sorry, I did have to come back for that song here. Easy off a slide, come full of secretion. And baby, you get me in the mood when you use the big thumb and rub it all around me. Put the treat into me. Baby, you turn me on when you finger me. Feel so high, love it cocky but put it on standby. Now go rush the foreplay first tonight. Play with it like FIFA. Happy like I want me get Canadian visa. Now go rush the foreplay first tonight. Play with it like FIFA. Happy like I want me get Canadian. Okay, I'm gonna play with my husband for video chat. Alright, people know me seriously gone. Bye.